Alright, good day and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. This lesson we'll be solving simultaneous equations graphically, right? So meaning we're going to test, can you draw graphs and then look for points of intersection. So solve for x and y. I say solve the systems of equations graphically. If I have x plus y equal 8 and y minus x equals 6. Right, so if you look first, there y minus x equal to 6. If I make x 0, y equal 6. So when x is 0, y is 6. If I make y 0, then x becomes negative 6. So I plot a point by 6 and negative 6 and draw a straight line through it. If I take x plus y, if I make y 0, x is 8. So when y is 0, x is 8, there's my point. When x is 0, there, take x away, and then y would become 8. Draw a point there, draw a straight line through it. There, where the two lines meet, is where the two equations are equal to each other. So in this case here, if you mark off, that is 1 and 7. Right? So at 1 and 7, the two graphs have the same value at that point of intersection. Therefore, the solution for the simultaneous equation, x equal 1 and y equals 7. You can test it. 1 plus 7 gives me 8. 7 minus 1 gives me 6. Right, so let's look at the next problem. Right, solve the system of equations graphically. Given x minus y equal negative 2 and minus x minus or minus y minus x equal negative 4. So again, if I make y 0 there, meaning I close it, x equal negative 2. There's my first point. If I make y 0, or if I make x 0, sorry, I solved. If I make x 0 minus y equal negative 2, so y then becomes positive 2. So positive 2 a point and x negative 2, and I draw straight line through those 2 points, and I have my straight line equation. Same here, if I make y 0, negative x is negative 4, so x equal positive 4. And if I make x 0, negative y equal negative 4, so y equal positive 4. So draw a straight line through those 2 points. There where the two graphs meet, they are equal to each other. So this point would read x being 1 and y being 3. Right? We can also mathematically solve it. Here I've made y the subject of the formula. So meaning I take negative y across and I bring negative 2 over. So y equal then x plus 2. And that side, if I take y over, it becomes positive y, and this side would become negative x plus 4. So y and y is the same, so I can say x plus 2 equal minus x plus 4. If I bring negative x over, I have x plus x, which gives me 2x. If I take positive 2 over, it becomes 4 minus 2, which gives me 2. So 2 divided by 2 would give me x as 1. If I take the 1 and put it back there, 1 plus 2 would give me y equal to 3. Right? But graphically, that's where they meet. This concept of substitution and so on is what we're going to be doing in the next lesson. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please remember to subscribe. Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.